I'm winning work, but I'm skint. Where is the money actually going? So essentially, this is a very, very common theme, and it's like we're flat out, but the bank balance doesn't reflect the activity, the level of activity. And there's a really simple answer to that. So the reason why you don't know where the money is because you are not tracking it. You're not tracking project costs, you're not checking your estimates, you're not actually tracking every penny in and out of the business. That's why you have no idea where it is. Now, a different question is, where is it actually going that it said in the end of that? So where is it actually going? So it's usually a build-up of a couple of things. So it's usually your payment terms, first of all, with how you're quoting for your jobs, like your payment terms with your clients. So are you taking deposits up front? Are you taking milestone payments? Or are you still one of these dinosaurs that is waiting to the end of the job to get paid, which is absolute commercial suicide? That means that you're funding the project right through to the end. So you're always in a cash negative. Number two, your payment terms with suppliers is going to be another one. So are you paying for cash for materials as you go? So again, you're funding the project. So you're actually in a double negative. You're not claiming for the work and milestone payments, but you're already out of all the materials and subsidizing all the labor through it as well. So your payment terms with your clients and your payment terms with your suppliers as well is another big one. I would say the other third most common one is scope creep. Scope creep is when there are extra works or variations or things that are not being tracked in the business and not being priced and brought to the client, or you're waiting until the end of the project to bring up extra works, and then there's a whole falling out at the end of the job with what's actually due and what's not actually due. If you're not tracking to see what way the project ended up in terms of profitability, you don't know if you ever priced the job correctly as well. So most of you thinking that you're pricing jobs and sticking 20-30% on, that 20-30% is eaten up by your overheads or other things, and because you're not tracking that, you actually have no idea. But it usually comes down to actually pricing the project from the start. So hopefully that answers that question.